So in this video, I'm going to be telling you guys the things you need to know before starting up a YouTube channel. I'm going to be covering up the right time to start up a channel, the right equipment to use, monetization, and sub count. I've been on YouTube for 3 years, so I'm going to be sharing my own experience. So far, so good. Hi guys, it's your girl Steez and welcome back to another video. If this is the kind of video you want to watch, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. Any YouTuber you meet and tell the person, I don't know when to start, the answer they're going to give is just start. Whatever you have, start. Like, that is also not a good advice, and I'm going to explain why. When I started the YouTube channel, I've already explained on this channel so much that I started with an iPhone 6s Plus, and the phone was giving me headache. The phone was doing a lot of things to me, and I was still like pressing on, being like, oh, I'm going to keep doing it, I'm going to keep doing it. And it made me, when the phone finally broke down, I had to, like, disappear for a long time. I wish I didn't just rush into it and start at that time. I didn't do enough research. It made me to keep stumbling and learning on my way. If you're the type that will wait, do your research, learn the proper editing skills, learn the proper thumbnail skills, and then venture into this platform, you already have like a better kickstart. If somebody asks me again, when is the right time to start, I will be like, when you feel like it's the right time for you to start. Don't start because you feel like this person started. If a perfect camera will make you have the confidence to start up, then wait for the camera. If you feel like your lighting will make you have the confidence to start, wait for the lightning. If you're not going to bring the whole package of who you really are, there's no need to start up a YouTube channel anyway. So the right equipment to start. The truth of the matter is that there's no perfect camera. It's just all about your content, your talent, your editing skills, and personality. I've seen people that have blown up with Android that you cannot even see like clearly like what they're doing. I've seen people that have the perfect camera and they are still stuck. I've seen people that have the perfect lighting and they are still stuck. The people that have been following me on this channel, I'm the biggest gadget problem girl. Any gadget I lay my hands on breaks. Like, I don't know if it's a cost or something at this point. I've got a M50 Mark II that I've waited all my life for. In less than 1 year, the camera broke. And I've bought all types of tripod and it has broken. Like, I'm literally the queen of broken tripods. Like, you can start up your YouTube channel with any equipment you want, and if it's really what you want to do, you're still going to thrive. Along the way, you can get better and improve in your quality, but the speed of your growth doesn't really rely on your equipment, to be honest. It actually relies on your creativity, period. This is monetization. People are so obsessed about this one because people will be like, oh, if you're not doing it for the money, then what are you doing it for, blah blah blah. Say money doesn't really like drive me like that. I want to really like not just be a YouTuber. I want to be an actress. I want to be famous. I want to be like well known in the industry. So that's all. Like, I'm not really looking at the money part. I'm looking at more so like the end game for me. Everybody have the goal they want here. If you're here for the money, you can be here for the money. If you're here for the fame or just taking it as a small business, you can also be here for that. But the truth of the matter is the money part is going to, like, if you're so eager to get it, there are two ways about it. It's either you get it or you don't, and it might lead to depression. I already know that depression is a disease that is so hard to get out of. So if you're starting up your YouTube channel because you want to like make sharp money, I don't think this is really the platform. It's possible to do that. I've seen people that do that, but to do that you have to like open your mind to anything. What time, even though to some people sub counts or numbers, like I said, is like a measuring tool for success. If you're getting onto YouTube, just enjoy the process. Everybody always tell me, Stella, how did you build your subscribers to 2K? How did you get to 1K? How did you get this? How did you get that? And I'm telling bro, like, I'm not even where I want to be yet. I already think this is huge, and it makes me realize that these people that are starting up, they're at 1 subscriber. I don't even remember when I was at 1 subscriber. Now, if you're starting up a YouTube channel, you have to make up your mind that you're not going to let these things like get to you that much. It might get to you at the moment though, but don't let it be the reason why you just quit and be like, I'm not doing it again. Like, there are 3 types of people on this platform. We have the celebrity. Already these people are well known, so people are interested in their life already. We have the OGs. These people have been on YouTube for like ages. They've already made a name for themselves. And then we have the newbies. Nobody knows you. Like, they are trying to make somebody be interested in your life. So whether you like it or not, you have to do it. Keep improving every video. Keep improving. Talking about his support system. When you start up a YouTube channel, your first 50 or 100 subscribers are going to be people that are intimate to you, which is like your WhatsApp contact, your Facebook followers, your Instagram followers, or people that know you in real life, or people you share your links to and be like, oh, can you subscribe to me, can you watch my video, can you comment? But at the time you realize that these people might not really want to keep watching. The truth of the matter is not everybody that likes to watch long videos. The more you grow, you're going to build real supporters that are going to love you for who you truly are and start like following you, watching your videos, not because you beg them to watch your videos or you go and like put your video in their DM and be like, oh, can you watch please, and then they sympathize with you and go watch. No, you're going to build it along the way. This is not something you rush into. This is something you build gradually. Everything is about patience. If you're new to this platform and you really want to thrive, I believe like I covered everything. I covered like mostly the questions people always ask me. I love it when people come up to me and be like, oh, they look up to me, they watch my videos and do my advice, because I'm already seeing my head like me. I'm even like this small. I'm not even that much of a big creator, and this person is already looking up to me. Like, that means there is more to this. So that's like naturally me. I really do. Even if I'm not doing YouTube, I'm on TikTok dancing. Like, you guys know, I'm always filming something. So that's why I know that I love filming myself. So with that being said, peace.